Like a lot of people, you know, they ask me why entrepreneurship, and I just don't get why that's even a question. You know, like the day and age we're in right now, 2018, I remember I got started in entrepreneurship like 2012. And when I kind of got started, it was kind of like new, right? But it wasn't even new. It was just new to the newer age of millennials coming up. Like we're the first stage of millennials, and everything that we're doing will become a normal to everybody else, right? And a lot of people are not grasping that times are changing. Guys, information is probably the most expensive thing you could go out and buy right now, but they're giving it away all for free on YouTube. But a lot of people are, you know, so stuck watching the damn idiot box, watching Love and Hip Hop, basketball, watching other people go out, live their fucking life, that they're asleep that they could be a superstar too, using the same tools they use every single day. And it's just pretty much crazy. So a lot of people ask me like, why entrepreneurship? Why should I trade? Why should I get into, you know, marketing, branding myself? Why should I build sales teams? Because if you're not doing those fucking things, you're broke as shit. Like, let's just be honest. One of my mentors always said, if you don't like sales, that's why you're fucking poor, guys. And you got to understand that times are not changing. Times are only going to evolve. It's only going to be more of an entrepreneur world. It's going to be either you're rich or you're super poor. You're either busting your ass grinding or you're working for somebody else, building up their fucking dream. I know you guys are tired of building other people's dreams, getting paid crumbs. Well, now is a time where you can actually take your life and take full control of your life. I remember being young, like wondering like, damn, how does this person do this? How they live this way? How do you do this? Guys, it's no longer a secret. There's plenty of books, plenty of videos. Like I said, YouTube University teaches everything, guys. And if you really think of it, like thinking back on my old life, I used to hustle, grind, you know, be in the streets, working and doing all this stuff for little to no money, guys. And now it's like, wow, all those skills I learned as, you know, well, being in the streets and hustling is like the ultimate entrepreneur anyway. But just to look and see all those skill traits made me a successful business owner, guys, because you got to treat people right. You gotta stand by your word. You got to deliver a working product. You got to deliver an exciting product. You got to brand whatever your product is, no matter if it's yourself. And people don't recognize that that's called business now. It's no longer about going out getting billboards and getting a bunch of flyers and getting postcards and all that stuff. It's about branding and building your online business, because business lives online now. Like, look at the world richest person in the world now. What did he do? He built a online business, guys. And look at Kylie Jenner, about to be the youngest billionaire. How did she do it? From building an online business, guys. What's the difference between a famous rapper and just a good rapper? His image, his brand online, guys. So look at Uber, right? Uber, they're the world biggest transportation company, and they own no cars because they run their business online. Look at Airbnb, the biggest hotel business, right? And no hotels. Is absolutely crazy. You guys got to understand. Facebook, the biggest content creators, and they create no content. Is because everybody is now adapting to the new world, the new online system that's getting people to become entrepreneurs. That same person who was just broke a year ago, delivering pizzas a year ago, homeless a year ago, strung out on drugs a year ago, they're all becoming superstars because they're branding their story, they're branding what they've been through, they're turning their story into a product and now showing people how to change their lives too. A lot of you might look at it and say it's weird, it's strange, but you're really just asleep on what the world is turning into. So I always say entrepreneurs versus everybody, because I've tried everything. I've worked my ass off at jobs. I've tried real estate, which is entrepreneurship. I've tried, you know, selling stuff. But guys, when you really just plug in as an entrepreneur, you get that time freedom back, right? And the 3 income streams that I have above will really show you guys how to get your time freedom back, where you don't have to, you know, plug in 80 hours. Even if you are a realtor, let's say you're a realtor and you're plugging all these hours, show you guys how to get your time back along with more money by jumping into full online entrepreneurship, guys. So it's Garrett Roberts. I appreciate you guys for landing on this page. If you haven't checked out all the videos, make sure you go subscribe to my YouTube channel. We're doing big things, a lot of stuff coming up, a lot of giveaways we're giving out. You see right now we're in the Hollywood Hills, guys. Let's work. Let's get it. We out.